Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to always restore your previous session tabs in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser launches and you can see your main window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, which is your menu icon. Click on those three lines to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, look for and click on Settings. This will take you into Brave's configuration area where you can customize how your browser behaves. Now, once you're inside the settings page, you need to navigate to the Startup section. This is where you control what happens every time you launch Brave, whether it opens a new tab, your homepage, or picks up right where you left off. Within the Startup section, you'll see a few different options for how your browser should behave when it launches. What you're looking for is the option that says Continue where you left off. This is the key setting that allows Brave to remember all the tabs you had open in your previous session and restore them automatically the next time you open the browser. Go ahead and check the circle beside Continue where you left off to enable this feature. By selecting this option, you're telling Brave to save your current browsing session whenever you close the browser and reopen all those tabs exactly as they were the next time you launch it. This is incredibly useful if you're working on multiple projects, conducting research, or simply have tabs you don't want to lose track of. Instead of having to manually bookmark everything or remember what you were doing, Brave will handle it for you automatically. And that's it. You've successfully configured Brave to always restore your previous session tabs, so every time you open the browser, you can pick up exactly where you left off. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.